Hello everyone, my name is Alicia of twistandturbans.com, and I want to show or introduce you all to a new product for the hair. This is a temporary hair color. It's clear and it's by Jazzing. Now I plan on trying this out, but to give you all more information about the clear Jazzing temporary hair color, it really, the primary purpose of this is to add more highlights to the hair and to protect the color, your permanent hair color that you already have in your hair, or add more thickness or volume to your semi-permanent hair color in your hair. This is just a quick video to give you just some information about using temporary hair colors such as the Jazzing hair care product. Now, temporary hair colors is, pretty much temporary. It can last anywhere from maybe 2 weeks to 4 weeks. Doesn't last long if used as a temporary hair product. Now, how you apply this is you just apply it to the hair, cleanse your hair, make sure there's nothing in it, apply the temporary hair color to your hair, leave it in for a few minutes, rinse, deep condition and style. That's it, with temporary hair colors. Now you can make it a semi-permanent hair color by applying heat. So you follow, your cleansing routine, apply the product to your hair, leave it in, then apply a plastic cap, sit under a heated dryer for 30 minutes, then rinse. By following that particular step, this will last you anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, and semi-permanent hair colors generally last 4 to 6 weeks. Now, semi and temporary hair colors do not contain ammonia or peroxide. So if you have previously dyed hair or chemically treated hair, it won't damage or cause any further damage to your hair. The only thing it does is it adds highlights to your hair and bring out wherever natural color, or add, just a slight difference in the natural color to your own natural hair or your permanently dyed hair, and that's it. So I'm going to try this out. I may do a demo so you guys can see how I apply it and you all can see the results of this. And I'm gonna have more details about the product, how to use it, at twistandturbans.com on my website. So check it out, and where to buy this product will be on the website and in the description area below. So that's about it. Thank you all for watching. You have a wonderful day, and don't forget to comment, like this channel, and click the notification bell. Okay, thank you all for watching. Goodbye.